Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you a simple technique using which you can easily extract text from any image. To begin, simply go to Microsoft Store. Now in the search box, type Power Toys. From the search result, click on Microsoft Power Toys. Now install it from here. Once installed, the dashboard will open automatically. Now from the left hand side, select Text Extractor and click on it. Now it will show you the shortcut keys which you can use to enable it. But before that, click on Open Settings and enable this option. Now once done, open any image that has text on it. Now press the Windows Shift and T keys together. Now drag the area from where you want to select the text. Now you can open MS Word or Notepad and simply paste it. That's it. You'll have the exact text which you have in the image. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.